Hey y'all, what's up? Thank y'all for tuning in. We're gonna be making some slime today. Kids got some slime for Christmas. We're gonna be checking it out. Gonna be making it, getting all messy. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and we're gonna have some fun. The boys are heading back to the store. Had to go pick up a few things. About to be back at the house. Gonna get a little dinner cooked. After dinner, we're gonna be busting out the slime, and then things are gonna start getting really messy beyond that point for the rest of the night. So heading home, you can see a bunch of deer out in the field over there. Always deer coming through. There's no one running over there. Oh, he's limping. You're gonna see them right out there in that area. See if I can get a better. Oh, there they go. They're all taking off. There they are.
There! That's the bottle there! There!
I'll get a video on that. There goes some deer running across the field. They're stopping. They're looking at us. They're wondering what in the world we're doing. There was some deers running across the field. We live out in the middle of nowhere, so we see deer all the time out here. They're usually always running across that field late in the evening. There was actually a couple more in the other field on the other side, and I didn't actually get those on video, but they're all over the place. Little ride home through the country.
Measure 15 milliliters of clear glue. Get your bowls.
So here we are. We're fixing to start making some slime. It's fixing to get really messy, really sticky.
Harry, messy, Harry.
Let's see, we're measuring it out here.
I saw a tie on my face. He ate when he bottleneck hat.
Oh yeah, I like that, bud.
This is so fun.
All right, put y'all's bowls down.
No.
All right. Here, hang on. Pour it out in here. Caden, pour it in your bowl. Now take this thing and scrape it all out. Daddy, give him one of those sticks.
Here you go, bud.
Give it to Caden.
Oh.
Then I need to mix it out.
Not yet. All right, now we got to put something else in there. Don't mess with it yet. Take your stick and scrape it out of there.
There you
go, bud. Scrape it all out of there.
All right.
Some good instructions. You gotta have good instructions, don't you, bud? Oh yeah.
Okay. And it says measure 25 milliliters of water.
This is fun. Let's mix it around if you did mix it around.
Okay. Water. What'd you do with the bottle of water?
Bottle of water. Bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
All right. Pour that in there. Hang on.
Coming along good.
I mix it. Hey.
Do it easy.
Is that real easy, bud?
Ooh.
Pour it in there, bud.
All right, and then add a spoonful. Quit, Knox. Don't do it with your hand yet. All right, now.
Having fun?
Yeah?
Huh?
Yeah?
Come on.
All right, Knox, what color do you want to do?
How did you white?
White?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
I want face that. What's your favorite term?
Do what?
What's your favorite term?
Out of these colors?
Yeah.
Let's see. I think I like The blue or the white?
Oh, that is white. And
Do the white.
Yep, mix it around. Hang on.
Not yet. We don't do that yet. I forgot.
Yeah.
I almost messed up.
Mix it around and I didn't see
yeah.
if it's headed.
Oh yeah. I gotta see this. I gotta see this.
Alright, now it
Sorry, white,
says stir the mixture
How's yours, bud?
with your slime
Coming
stick
good?
until it's fully blended.
Ooh, keep it fully blended, bud.
I think I need a more.
Now you gotta mix it up really good.
If we mix it up for me. I'm already done.
Alright, now let's see what the next one is.
I think I need a bit
The stuff you
sour.
used.
Yeah, that's the glue. That was the first step.
So we got the glue.
Alrighty.
More glue. Slime activator. This activates the slime. That's what gets it really slimy. The slime. You gotta have the slime activator. Alright.
That's cheeky.
I don't know what we're mixing up right now. But it looks like it's
Daughter.
going pretty good.
What is that? That's one whole thing in there.
What was that stuff?
It's called slime activator.
Ooh. I told you it was a slime activator. A little more slime activator on it.
I found my.
Alright, here. Alright, now stir it up.
Stir it up. It's fixing to start getting slimy, I think. That's the activator.
It says keep stirring it up until all of the until you see the mixture get thicker. Keep on doing it. Keep on stirring it until all of it's not water anymore. Let me see this for a second. Don't touch it yet.
Ah, that's tiny. This is super fun.
It's getting slimy now, ain't it?
Have you favorite time? Oh my!
Oh. It broke, didn't it?
Yeah.
Do it again.
I thought the fits.
You gotta keep stirring it up till there's not any more water in it.
Oh, you got higher that time. Must be getting better. It stirred up a few more times. We'll test it out again.
I'm gonna be super tiny. Then I need to get one of these sticks and put it on it.
We can in a minute. This is getting mixed up good.
Yeah, and it's super cheeky.
Mama helping you mix it up?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Now I got mine.
Oh. Whoa. That's really big.
That is tiny. Yeah. That looks like this.
What?
Alright, Knox.
Oh, look at yours.
Play with it a little bit. Here. It says that you gotta play with it a little bit to make it less sticky. Here, pull the rest of that off the stick.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh.
Is it getting better?
Yep.
Oh yeah?
That is super cheeky. How do you stick this off of my fingers?
On the piece of paper, it says it's gonna be really sticky until you play with it and it'll make it less sticky.
Yeah, it is super sticky in me.
Alright, Kaden, I think
I need to take this off.
get it out of the bowl and start playing with it. It'll make it less
Let me feel of
sticky.
it. Oh yeah, you gotta play with it some more. It won't be as sticky, bud. Roll it off your fingers like that.
Oh, I did it off. Hi.
Hey.
Ooh.
Turn.
Ah. Hey. Please help me, Mom. Since this stuff's off. This is super sticky.
Is it? Knox has got a bunch on the counter over there.
Is it off for me? So I don't need to go night-night a bit?
So you don't have to go night-night with it?
I just see, bud.
This?
That's a lot, dude.
Yeah.
How are you gonna get out of all that?
I don't know.
What if it's on there forever?
Don't you put some more contacts in?
What if yours is on there forever? Roll all that up.
How sticky. Mommy, take this off.
Let's see yours, bud. Looking good, man. Looking good.
Take it off. This is super sticky.
Anything else in the box?
No, I'm putting it all back in there.
All right. There you have it. It's pretty simple. Fixing some slime, and there you got a tangled up mess. Now you just gotta keep working it. You just gotta keep working it, guys. Just gotta keep working it. You can come over here and wash your hands off, rinse your hands off in the water if you don't want to do it.
I didn't mess up. Mom, did you just hand me some water so I put on my
I can hand you some water, but you can come over here and go in the bathroom and wash your hands.
I did.
You gotta rinse it all off till it's all off your hands. Keep rubbing your hands and stuff together. Let me make it a little colder and it'll set up a little bit. How was it, bud?
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
Yeah. And then there's a wheel. This is so much to make it hot. I don't hang on for a minute. Then in heavy bubbles.
Turn the other one off over there, bud. Turn one of them off.
What does it hot?
You want it hot?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So then get hot.
Rub it all off your arms and stuff, bud. You still got it on your arms. Rub it all off, man. Keep rubbing it.
No.
You get all yours off?
No.
You get all yours off?
No.
Get off of me.
Gonna end the video here, and so y'all be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a thumbs up, and tell everybody where we're going this weekend.
Monsters upstairs.
Monster Jams. Going to Monster Jams, and it's gonna be fun, and we're gonna try to get some video while we're there too, so y'all can check that out. So bye.